What's up, math learners? So welcome to our mathematics channel, MATH-JASTIN's mathematics lessons and techniques. So this time I'm going to discuss the part 3 of an integer. So in this part that I'm going to discuss the multiplication and division of an integer. So before we start in our discussion, so I want to shout out someone. So shout out kay Ninja episode. So nakakatawa yung mga feedbacks niya sa akin eh. If you pointed the second photo sa gitna, so yung tinutukoy niya ron is the subtraction of an integer. So sa nakaraang video ko lang, no, ang bilis ng feedback. So sa first naman doon, so I'm so glad na malaman na nakakatulong pala yung sa vlog ko, lalo na malapit na daw exam niya. And siyempre nakakatawa rin, and thank you for motivating me. So ito, salamat. So salamat din sa mga nagsi-share post ng aking vlog kapag pinopost ko sa FB. So now, for more information in our lesson, just watch the video till the end. So let us begin. So last time I discussed the subtraction of an integer. So now let us proceed in our multiplication of an integer. So in factor, so 1 is a factor of any number. It doesn't change any number. So once you multiply, so as you can notice, so we have 1 times 5 is equal to 5. We have negative 1 times 5 is equal to negative 5. And 1 times negative 5 is equal to negative 5. And we have negative 1 times negative 5 is equal to positive 5. So, as you can see, makikita nyo rito, as a trivia, so if you multiply the same sign, the product will be a positive. And if you multiply the different sign, the answer will be negative. So, even that is negative times negative is equal to positive, and we have positive times positive is equal to positive. Negative times positive is equal to negative, and positive times negative is equal to also to negative. Diba? Tama lang. So now, as you can see, switch. So as you if you notice, if you turn on the light and turn off the light, so I will show you. So if you notice this light, so I'm just going to turn off and switch on, switch off, switch on. So same as of our multiplication of our integers, as you can see in my PowerPoint presentation. So let we start in this. So, if you multiply negative 5 times negative 1, it will be equal to positive 5. Kasi nga, sabi nga natin, kapag na-multiply tayo dito ngayon, in negative 1, if you multiply the negative number, the result will be positive. So, if we multiply negative 1 to positive 5, that will be equal to negative 5. So syempre, kapag minultiply mo negative 1 sa 0, syempre, 0 pa rin. So, there's no negative zeros. Like we said, the zeros will maybe it's either positive or negative, no? So if you have an even if you have an even numbers of negative, the answer will be positive. If you have an odd number, so it's maybe letter O, no, that's not letter A, so that's just a typo. So add the number of negative, the answer will be negative. Let we start with this. So if you multiply the 3 times negative 1, the quantities of numbers of negative number, that will be the result, the negative product. So next, so dito, this is 2. So the 2 is considered as an even number. So we have an even quantity of negative 1. So 3 times negative 1 is equal to negative 3 times negative 1 will be is equal to positive 3. So kapag ito naman, kumbaga nakita nyo rito, brutal. At dito brutal, I change the font into red para mas manotice. No, ang gagawin lang dito, ika-cancel nyo lang yung may magkakaparehong negative. So 3 times 1 times 1, yun na yung technique. O ito, kung makakancel nyo, matitira pa rin 3 times 1 times 1. So basta pagka kinasa nyo to, edi meron pa dito, oh. 'Di ba? Ganun lang 'yun. So let's say, if you multiply 3 times negative 1, negative 3 times negative 1, positive 3, 10 times negative 1 is equal to negative 3. Basta i-apply nyo lang yung itong ano na to, as you can see the definition. Next. Let us proceed. The computation rules is the same in multiplication. So 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Negative 8 divided by 2 is equal to negative 4. Then negative 8 divided by negative 2 is equal to 4. We have 8 divided by negative 2 is equal to negative 4. So same as in our multiplication of an integer. Diba? If we divide or multiply same sign, that will be the result will be positive. If not, or if you divide or multiply, the different sign will be result of the negative answer. So that's all.